knitting?
I have no idea.
What do I know?
I just call them I was going to say they were sort of the harbouring of spring, but they're kind of wintry, aren't they?
They are the earliest
winter flowers.
flowering
Winter
things
flowers.
of their type. You see, it's so technical.
It's very wintry now, really, all round, isn't it,
It is,
Sara?
yeah. Dennis is English. I can confirm that, yes, definitely. I know. Oh, gosh, another storm within a week. I think we're just about recovering from Storm Kira over the weekend, and we've got a weather warning in force for Storm Dennis for the weekend. At the moment, we're just included in the one for wind, because we will see some damaging winds again across the East Midlands. But the rain that's also associated with this storm could actually be quite heavy and persistent. So I think there's a possibility it might change towards the end of the week to a rain one as well. But lovely day today. It was a real bonus to see the sunshine today. The winds have fallen a little bit lighter at Clay Cross. So thank you to our weather watchers for sending that in. And also, this is how the skies are looking out there at the moment in Great Glen as the day is coming to a bit of a close. I think really a bit more cloud around, and that's ahead of the rain, which is starting to work its way a little bit closer. Now, what we are starting to see tonight will be the winds strengthening again. This time it's just a deep area of low pressure that's coming in. Hasn't got a name, but it will start to bring in some heavy rainfall moving up from the southwest for the second part of tonight and into the early hours. And really, the temperatures will start to change as it comes in. So ahead of it, the rain, we could see lows of about 1 or 2 Celsius, which means it might turn a little bit wintry for a time into the early hours, but it should start to turn back to rain again as those temperatures start to pick up a little bit more. So I think we're sort of ending at around 3 or 4 Celsius. Now, it clears out of the way quite quickly through the early part of tomorrow morning. We leave or start to see a day of sunny spells and occasional showers. I think really staying quite blustery into the afternoon. So temperatures reaching a maximum of 8 or 9 Celsius tomorrow. And then for Friday, there's a weather front moving down from the northwest on Friday. So a percentage of the daytime will be quite blustery, but it should stay dry. Then the cloud thickens up. And as this weather front starts to come in, it will weaken. So it won't produce quite as much rain on it, but it is linked to Dennis out in the Atlantic. So we'll then see the wind strengthening further and Storm Dennis starts to come in through Saturday and into Sunday. Gusts of 60, possibly even up to 70 miles an hour again over the weekend, and some very heavy rain through the daytime on Saturday and into Sunday.